This video is all about how you can grow bitter gourds or Karela at home in containers or in grow bags. Growing bitter gourds at home is an easy process and needs very little effort. You can easily grow it in containers or grow bags. You can grow it throughout the year, but the best time for growing bitter gourds is mid-February to mid-June when temperature remains high. Bitter gourd needs 5 or 6 hours of direct sunlight. Organic compost, regular watering will keep your bitter gourds plant healthy. Seeds of the bitter gourds have a hard outer layer. So soak the seeds for at least 24 hours to fasten the germination process. Sow the seeds vertically into small container. Here I am using plastic glasses filled with potting mix of 50% organic compost and 50% coco peat. You may use any kind of potting mix. After sowing, cover the seeds with thin layer of same potting mix and water it gently. Always keep the potting mix little moist and keep it in partial shade. Keep it in sunlight when seedlings come out. Shall come back after 15 days. Have come back after 15 days. At this stage, seedlings need to be transplanted. Here I have taken a medium sized plastic container. You may take grow bags or earthen pots with sufficient drainage holes at the bottom. Cover the drainage holes with broken clay pots or gravels. You may use small pieces of straw which are available in everywhere. This straw will decompose within 2 or 3 months and will be part of your soil, and it will supply necessary nutrients to your plant. Now cover the pieces of straw with thin layer of organic compost. Here I am using cow dung compost, which will help to decompose the straw and will supply necessary nutrients to the plant after decomposing. Now fill the remaining part of the container with potting mix. For the potting mix, here I have taken 50% organic compost and 50% normal garden soil. The organic compost I used here has been made from kitchen waste. I shall give the link of that video in the description box. Now take out the seedlings carefully from the glass. I have taken it out. There are two seedlings. I am gently separating those seedlings. I am doing it gently so that the roots do not get disturbed. Now make a little hole and place the seedlings gently. Always water the plants immediately after transplanting. Now keep the container in a partial shade areas for 2 or 3 days and then keep it out in full sunlight. It is a grow bag. I am transplanting another seedlings of bitter gourd. In this grow bag, I have sown 3 seeds of bitter gourds. Now I am transplanting one of them carefully. Shall come back after 30 days. Have come back after 30 days. The plants have grown up and it has started flowering. At this stage, you need to put some organic compost. Here I am using an organic compost made from the kitchen waste. The link of that video has been given in the description box. You may find it and prepare the same at home. Two handfuls of such organic compost is enough for your plants. Apply this organic compost after every 15 to 20 days. It will boost the growth of your plant. Have come back after 45 days. Now the plants have started fruiting. You can see little bitter gourds appearing. To see the vines of the bitter gourds loaded with bitter gourds, you should apply 1 or 2 handful of organic compost directly on the soil after every 15 to 20 days. To keep the pests or harmful insects away from your plants, apply neem oil after every 7 to 10 days. Bitter gourds are climbing plants, so you need to fix ropes for their climbing to support their vines. This is the result after 50 days. At this stage, you can harvest the bitter gourds. At this stage, you will get 3 or 4 bitter gourds from each plant. Harvest your organic bitter gourds every day when they look green. Don't allow them to turn yellow. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give a thumb, write your encouraging comments, and subscribe my channel. Shall come back soon with my next video.